Chokuria is a madrasa where orphans and normal students study and work and learn in nursery. They also work in mosques and madrasa beside studying in madrasa. You donate to this madrasa through which the madrasa looks much better now, inshallah. It will be better in the future. This madrasa is located in Fasciakali Union. This madrasa has around 300 students, including around 200 orphan students. Many people donate here in many ways for their clothes, their food, their education. Many people donate here as a means of reward. You can do it here. Donate here, grow the student. Thank you.